Apple's latest public beta just dropped, and it's packing fixes for your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Want to try macOS Sequoia 15.5 early? Let's dive in. What's good, tech fans? Welcome back to GadInsider. Apple just released public beta 2 for macOS Sequoia 15.5, iOS 18.5, iPadOS 18.5, and tvOS 18.5. With bug fixes and slick updates, it's time to test the future. Let's check it out. Public Beta 2, following last week's first beta, focuses on smoothing out kinks. iOS 18.5 brings out a cleaner mail app. You can now turn off contact photos and group by sender for that iOS 17 vibe. macOS Sequoia 15.5 tweaks how Apple Care info looks, making it easier to check. Expect major bug fixes and security patches, especially after iOS 18.4.1's critical updates. No big new features, but these changes keep your device snappy and safe. Why join the beta? You get to try iOS 18.5 and macOS Sequoia 15.5 before their official launch in early May 2025. It's a chance to spot bugs and help Apple polish the software. This beta is stable enough for most, perfect for iPhone 16, iPad Pro, or MacBook users eager to explore. Ready to install? First, sign up for Apple's free beta program at beta.apple.com. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap on General, then go to Software Update and select the beta. For Mac, open System Settings, click on General, and go to Software Update. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have 50% battery. It's that easy. Sources say it just takes minutes, but always back up to iCloud or Time Machine before diving in. Want to test the future? Sign up at beta.apple.com and download Public Beta 2 today. Subscribe for more Apple updates, hit that like button, and comment if you're trying the beta.